Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix icons not showing on taskbar in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it. Select yes and open it. In here you just need to check my video description for this registry path used in my video. Just copy and paste it and press enter. After coming to stock React 3, just right click on it and delete it. Select yes. After deleting this value, you just need to close stuff here. Press in keyboard Alt F4 key together and click on this drop down and select restart and select OK and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, Windows will recreate the deleted key. You just need to right click on the app you want to pin in taskbar and select this option guys, pin to taskbar. If this solution doesn't fix your problem, then let's move on to the second solution guys. Second solution, you just need to press in keyboard Ctrl Shift plus Escape key together. Open up a task manager. In here you just need to scroll down to the bottom. Right click on the Windows Explorer and select restart option. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to update your graphics card driver. Outdated drivers can sometimes cause display issues, including missing taskbar icons. To do this, for NVIDIA users, you just need to open the GeForce Experience. For AMD users, you just need to open the AMD software. If you not have GeForce Experience installed in your PC, then you just need to check my video description for this download link. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After that, just to close stuff here. Now you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Update. Click on open the Windows Update setting. Select check for updates, and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After getting you are up to date, just close stuff here and press in keyboard Alt F4 key together and click on this drop down and select restart and select OK and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.